In this video, I'll detail how to enable eye contrast test on Android phone. So if you're using an Android phone and you want to turn on your Android phone eye contrast text, this video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first you want to do is go to your Android phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on additional settings, then tap accessibility. Once you click on accessibility, you want to click on vision under accessibility, then scroll down, come to experimental and tap the option to turn on eye contrast test. Then once that is turned on, you can go back to your Android phone home screen and your Android phone eye contrast test will be enabled. So this I can easily turn on or enable eye contrast test on Android phone. To disable this, you just need to repeat the process. While on the accessibility page, just go ahead and click on vision, then another vision, scroll down and disable eye contrast. So that is it. So that's all you need to do to enable eye contrast test or disable eye contrast test on Android phone. If you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.